Multiple 911 calls are being received reporting an unknown amount of vehicles racing. You got at least one description matching a wanted party. Suspect last seen heading northbound through the boardwalk. I need a unit to clear and head up that way, please.
Dispatch, you got any other details on that? My screen's acting up here.
We don't have a clear description of the vehicle at this time. Stand by.
I'm code 3 with that reported driver. He's trying to lose me. Stand by. You can detail me on that call? Stand by. 1033, 1033. Cancel routine cover. I need code 3 help now. We just shot by.
Request an update on your situation.
Details as stated. X-ray 11. On scene. Lanes are filling up here. We should fall back. No, do not fall out. Keep the pressure on him. We won't stop him. He just blew by me. I got him. Don't worry, I got him. 1045, 1045. Gotta see if I can disable his vehicle. The suspect's doing passes. He got there. Here's the plan. We're gonna fall back. We're coming in. I can't get into position. Still code 3. Still through. Stop. Alright, heads up, you guys. We should have a 1073 to that. Stand by to take him down. What? Slip right through. We're still in pursuit. Dispatch, add more units to that backup request. We're gonna need him. Cutting through. He's cutting through the boardwalk area. Right ahead. Pursuit. Heads up. Your current routes, they're gonna take you right into that tunnel. No way. We're not gonna be able to maintain a visual. X-ray 5. Show me 1023 with the pursuit. BCB, we're closing on the block, no direction. No, we got him, pulled up on a 6. We're on him now, he's moving fast. Okay, I lost him, I need a quadrant set up here, dispatch. Let's see if we can get him to go to ground.
Units in the area be advised. The code 6 suspect was last seen northbound through the Campton Tunnel. Supervisor indicates he wants a quadrant set up east of the suspect. Consider call still code 6.
Alright, this is it. Number 2 on the blacklist is up for grabs. Toru's waiting for your call. Chump's driving a McLaren. Need to say more? Smoke him out fast.